We believe in doers, the talented makers and dedicated shop owners who keep Main Street alive. We believe there is joy in human connection, the exchange of ideas, and goods made with love. That's why we created Faire, a marketplace to connect independent stores and makers and help their businesses grow. Faire pays makers for their goods up front and builds connections with retailers who want to carry them. Faire also empowers local shops, helping them find curated products that are perfect for their shelves. There's no cost up front to try a new brand, and after 60 days, stores pay for the items that are selling and return the rest to us. By taking the risk out of buying, we're creating space for the things that matter most. The future is local. Passionate people making and sharing the things they love. It's time we all came together and made the marketplace fair.